In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first stuff, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then tap at Edit Profile button. And then hit Add to that text field next to links, where you will be able to add external link to your Instagram profile. All you have to do now is just type in w.me/, and then your phone number with country code. For example, in Russia, country code is 7, so I can type in 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I can also give a title for that URL. And then hit Add Done. After that, we can go to our profile. And as you can see, WhatsApp link is now located on my Instagram profile. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and I'll see you in the next one.